Hi and welcome to Greenmoxie. We're really happy to have you here today. And today we're going to talk about my favorite food group, which is of course dessert. Now, I know that a lot of people neglect dessert when they're going camping because they're worried about inconsequential things like, space and weight. But I say no to that. You know how campfire cooking tastes super good? Well, wait till you've had campfire dessert. There is literally nothing better. Today we're gonna try apple pie tacos. A really simple recipe, really fun for the kids to make, and you're gonna love it too, so let's do it. So what we're gonna do now is just put a little oil in the bottom of our pan. Put your oil, and then cook a taco for about 1 minute on each side. You'll see it start bubbling when it's ready to be flipped. See how it's bubbling there? Okay, now we can flip it. Once it's nicely cooked, just place it over a stick and let it cool so you can make a nice hard taco shell. Two tablespoons of butter to the pan. And your apples that have been cored, peeled, and diced. Now we're going to add half a cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of vinegar. And now cook till it goes slightly jammy. You see how the juices are getting a little thicker and slow to come back together when you separate them. That's the kind of consistency you want. That sort of jammy, sticky consistency. Now you know they're ready. Topped with cinnamon sugar and ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining us today. We love having you here and we'd like to see more of you, so please subscribe. Cheers.